Welcome to Goldfinch Winslow. Come on in. It's Tom Winslow with Goldfinch Winslow. Thank you for visiting our vlog. So every Monday I put out a blog. Now I'm doing a vlog. And the biggest question I have to ask myself is, what am I going to talk about every day? So what do you want me to talk about? So if you have a topic, let us know. So I'd love to talk about what you want to know. In the meantime, I'm going to talk about what I do know, and that's us here at Goldfinch Winslow down in Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. Thank you again for visiting us. From what I've heard, we're putting out these vlogs every Friday at 1 p.m. So make sure you tune in and visit us. And if you want to visit us when it's not 1 p.m. on a Friday, stop on by. You'll make Doreen happy by doing that. And visit our website, www.goldfinchwinslow.com. Or just give us a call, 843-357-9301. How about we talk about something that's been in the news lately? Lately, a lot of times we have seen where people are going to baseball games because it is baseball season, and they're getting hit by bats and balls, and they're saying, is there liability on the baseball team for those kind of injuries? I mean, it happens a lot more than you think. 80 people have died since the inception of baseball, sitting in the stands watching a game. That's getting hit by a ball, that's been hit, being hit by a bat that's been broken, or just simply getting run into. And so, how do we prevent these injuries from happening? Well, that's sometimes where civil liability comes in. It puts that punitive aspect with an action compared to a car accident. If you were not to be penalized for a car accident, would people drive safely, or would they drive with more speed? Would they drive in a way that was safe for other people around them, or would they drive in a way that they only care about themselves? And some of you probably think people drive only like they care about themselves anyway. But imagine if there weren't laws that helped with that. In baseball, there's something called the baseball rule. And it basically says on the back of your ticket that they're not responsible for anything that happens to you at a baseball game. They're putting you on notice, and you're basically signing a waiver. But a waiver is not 100%. You can't waive gross negligence or even intentional negligence. Only basic negligence that someone might expect to have should they partake in that activity. Example, I'm a paratrooper with the State Guard. I jumped out of airplanes. Took my mom skydiving one time for Mother's Day. She didn't really see a whole lot because her eyes were covered up this whole time like this. But I know that my parachute might not open. That's a risk I take. But going to a baseball game, do you know that a bat might break in half and a splintered piece of wood might come flying at your head at 100 miles per hour? Is that something that you expect to happen? How about a baseball coming at you with 14,000 pounds of force coming at you? That's a question. That's what liability is. That's a civil liability question. And that's what attorneys are for, to help you sort out those legal issues. I can't tell you the answer. Answer might be yes, answer might be no, and the truth is it might be different in different states. But that's what an attorney should know, and that's why you come to an attorney. I don't know how to do your job, probably. I'm not a doctor. I can't even change the oil in my car, probably anymore. But hopefully we here at Goldfinch Winslow can help you with your legal needs. And that's what we do. We do a lot of stuff with civil liability, do it with family, real estate, corporate. We try to take care of pretty much everything here with our 8 attorneys. And so if those questions should come up, allow us to help you answer those questions. And so the question's been put out there lately with the hospitalization of a 4-year-old girl at a Major League game. And then again, 4 days later, a whole bunch of 4s, but another 4-year-old girl was hospitalized at a minor league game. Is there liability? Can those minors waive that liability? Probably not. Do those parents accept that liability for their minor children? Don't know the answer. But what we do know is that it is a known risk, and that it's something that baseball teams are put on notice. But so are you as fans. And so it's something that probably needs to be looked at, because the simple solution is putting nets around the field and staying aware. So just like everything else in life, there's never a straight answer. It's not always black and white. That's why you need attorneys. If it was black and white, you probably wouldn't need me. But if you do, you call me. Happy to talk to you and meet with you anytime you would need. Just give us a call or visit our website at goldfinchwinslow.com. Thank you, and I'll talk to you next Friday. Goldfinch Winslow, the gold standard, serving the law by serving you.